Hey guys, Michelle here with Lumina Massage, and today I want to bring to you which muscles or how to massage which particular muscles when you can't straighten your back. So just to clarify, normally when people say I can't straighten my back, it usually means the following motion. So you are bending down and you are unable to do this motion. That is called extension. So again, I'm going to repeat it. So you're bending down, and from this position, you are unable to straighten your back. Now, when you're unable to straighten your back, these muscles are called your extensor muscles. They're extending your trunk. So basically, when you approach massage therapy or when you're focusing on these are the main muscles that you're really going to look at. So the first muscle group that I want to mention is your latissimus dorsi, and these are your lats. So if you guys have ever seen bodybuilders, you've seen these muscles really defined, and basically they're located right here. Okay, so all of the muscles that have to do with extension, when you are approaching them or when you're massaging them, you have to remember that they're going to start really high up and then they're going to end. That's why it's really important to understand the origin and the insertion. So all the lower back muscles, or the ones that have to do with extension, don't necessarily align in the spine. You have to look outward too. So you're going to focus on the muscles that are running all the way here. I don't know if you guys can see me. And then they're going to actually end at the sacrum. So past your pelvic bone and past the sacrum, you're going to massage all of those muscles. Now the other thing that I want to mention, when you are focusing on lower back pain and really focusing on the extensors, again extension, which means rising up. So when you're focusing on the extensors, don't forget guys that you have to also take a look at your hip flexors and take a look at the muscles that are going to do trunk flexion. So anytime that if somebody comes in and they are, or if you have issues like that and you want to get a massage but you just don't know where to go, or if you're a massage therapist and your client comes in with this specific problem, these are the muscles that you're going to work on. So latissimus dorsi, the longissimus muscles as well. Now, I had a particular client that came in and actually their QL muscle, quadratus lumborum muscle, was actually really giving them a hard time. And for those of you that don't know, you can access that actually on the side. So you're not going to really access it here, you're going to access it more here. So again, when you're focusing on the extensor muscles, you're going to want to just focus on the sides all the way down to the sacrum. It's really important, guys, that you go over those insertion points in the sacrum and really dig in there. I've even used my elbow very gently, of course. You want to feel out the pain level of the person, make sure that they're comfortable with it, but you're going to focus on that, and then you're going to flip them over, which is called supine position, and then you can focus on the psoas muscles, the major and minor, and kind of check them out first, like palpate them and ask the person, does this feel tender? Does this feel sore? And if they say no, then you can kind of bypass it. You can massage it a little bit just to give it, give the trunk like a little bit more range of motion, and that'll help as well, but you don't need to spend nearly as much time on it. So make sure, again, guys, when you are focusing on extensors, you're going to focus on the longissimus muscles and latissimus dorsi. Those are really important. And if you want to check the QL muscles, again, that's short for quadratus lumborum, you can do that as well. With that, even if the person has nerve pain, if they have any soreness, if you're pressing on the muscle and it's tender or sore, that's a pretty good indicator that the muscle is very tight and definitely needs some work. So this is Michelle with Lumina Massage. I hope this helps some of you out there that are curious about the motion of not being able to straighten up or sit down and not be able to get up. All of that is called trunk extension, and there are specific muscles that you can work on in a massage to really help you out. So I hope this helps, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.